So we made it in one piece.
In one piece?
One piece. Two pieces. Me and you.
Yeah, me and
Bike
you.
is okay. We're okay. That was a beautiful, beautiful trip. And there's a lot of people up here. A lot.
Because it's opening.
Because it's Sunday, right?
No, it's opening.
It's Sunday today, that's why also.
Yes, it's
So people are off.
opening.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Look at it. It's so
Okay.
beautiful. Let's go in, babe. So,
Babe, I took off my knee brace in there. Is that okay?
I think it's okay. I don't think anybody will take it.
Okay.
So, we need to put our masks on, I guess, yeah? Do we?
No?
Nobody else has got a mask on. But let's just do it, just for show. Here, you'll sign us in?
I will.
You always sign us in.
Okay.
My name is Donald. Your name is Donald. Joke na lang. Oh wait. So we're up here. Look at this view. Amazing, huh? Looks like a mini chapel over there. I need to check that out. And then there's the cafe is up here.
The cabins, my love.
Huh?
We need to.
We need to rent one of the cabins one day. Yeah, that'd be awesome. Just to wake up here
Yeah, like.
in the morning with that view and have a cup of coffee with this
that
view.
would be so awesome.
Yeah, I love this. This is what I love. This is what we need to do more of.
Yeah.
We won't be.
should.
We'll be like itchy boots, but what shall we call ourselves? Itchy couple.
Itchy couple.
Itchy couple.
No.
Oh, look at those cabins! Wow.
I love it.
Oh my God. It's amazing. And you can sit out here. You need to put like a shade out here. That'd be good.
Yeah. Oh, they have the bridge.
My
Maybe
God.
The bridge is going to like the cabin.
I think it's closed though, right?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, it's closed. It's closed, baby.
Yeah, it's closed.
Can you put this?
Back?
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta.
So I'm gonna go to the
Take this
chapel.
off for me.
No, just leave it on because we're
But I'm
gonna.
gonna put it back. Okay. I'll go with you. I don't wanna be alone.
Too many people for you.
People's tiring.
Mia is not a socialite,
I really don't like talking.
which is a good thing and a bad thing.
I don't like talking.
You're not like me. I'll talk to just about anybody.
Are you gonna get married now?
Yeah, how many times? Hello.
Hello.
Look at this. It's amazing. Yeah? It's amazing, huh, babe?
Yeah. Oh, they have.
What is this one?
That?
A zip line or something, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my God, they're gonna have a zip line over like, oh my God, that it would be cool to have
So-
zip line from there to all the way there. Oh my God. And then there's a truck waiting for you or a car waiting for you and drives you back.
Yeah.
That would be like awesome. I don't know if I'd do it. I'd be too scared.
You're scared of
Unless they put a parachute on me or something. Oh, is this not? Do we have to? Wait a minute.
They're repairing it.
Repairing. Oh my God. This, you're talking about marriage. This would be a cool place to get married. Yeah?
Yeah. You should get married here.
This is like a place where I'd want to get married.
Really?
Yeah. If I was gonna get married, something simple like this in the nature. Be careful, Dai.
Like, I have that wildflower growing. We should go.
They need to expand it to make some nature trails, you know, going through the jungle and all that. That'd be so cool. This is so cool. I wonder who came up with this idea.
Can I get the camera? Ooh!
Me and Mia.
Forever.
Da, 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 da. Will you take this evil man to be your husband?
Yes, I do. Oh my gosh, thank you, baby.
Oh, you're welcome. What a beautiful place, yeah?
Yeah.
So what do you have to say about this, Mia?
Thank you for taking me here.
No, besides that, selfies, yeah? Selfies for Facebook. Look, they're building even more back there. That's gonna be a part. Is that? It's the same. It's the same person. Yeah, because it's pink there, pink there. And then he's building more, so business must be booming.
Yeah.
Even with the pandemic, can you imagine when it opens up? And can you imagine once I blogged about it?
The owner will be like, here's your...
Don't come back, sir.
If we go to the church, like, babe, you go there. I use this thread.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And at the end we hold hands?
Yeah, like that.
Yeah. We came divided, we left, what's that called? Together. No, not together. We came as two, we left as one. Oi, oi, oi.
Here, baby.
Yes, my lord.
Oh, look at this flower. I love it when they design everything, you know?
Yeah.
Like, it's so beautiful. Can I get my camera, baby?
Look at this bicycle. Like a,
Can I sit here?
it's supposed, you know, they put pots on here and
And
flowers.
the flowers.
Yeah, it's not meant for people to sit on there. Okay, you want to take pictures now? So we're here at Cafe Alicia, and this morning we had our first live stream. And then we took the motorbike for about an hour and a half, 2 hours ride. We got to Cafe Alicia, and we're really enjoying it. I've had a coffee. Mia's had a mango shake, and we're waiting for the waitress to come and give us a menu for the food, but they're really busy here. So
There's lots of people.
a lot of people. Why?
There's also people outside. It's opening.
It's opening day,
Yeah.
and they have a bridge over there that's closed, and cabins over there, they're also closed. So
There's a church over there.
what do you have to say about the live stream today?
I enjoy it.
You enjoy it? It was fun, yeah?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, I thought so too.
I thought it's gonna be boring, you know, like.
Yeah, so did I. We had a lot of fun, so we'll do it again. Do it once a week or once every 2 weeks.
Once every 2 weeks. Because it's good.
So we'll do it once a week to once every 2 weeks. So yeah. So we took a lot of video. No, Mia took a lot of video driving up here. It's a lot of beautiful nature, and you'll see that. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, share, like, and comment. Commenting really helps us to be picked up by the YouTube algorithm. So we get more subscribers, we get more viewers, we make more for sure. We don't make much on the YouTube channel, not really. We're just the start phase, right?
Yeah.
How many subscribers we want?
Proud.
1 million. Okay, so that's it. And there's the chapel.
We're gonna get married there.
You know, there's no divorce here, right?
No, there's no divorce. Only
Look at that bird.
annulment.
So we ordered, what was that called? Sizzling steak?
Sizzling beef steak.
Sizzling beef steak. And
Nami calamansi.
excuse me, I'm supposed to get potatoes or something with this, and there's no potatoes.
Potato sauce like that? No, potato.
Potato or rice or something.
Kasi maulang gid ni siya basta ang sizzling. So wala siya walay rice, walay laing.
Okay, no problem, it's fine. Thank you.
Only calamansi okay.
So they told us it would come with potatoes. It didn't. I don't think they know what they're doing here, and I can't blame them. It's the first day they open up, and these people serving, they probably hadn't had training. It's kind of hands-on training, so They don't even know what's in the menu when you ask them. So, but it's still a very nice place, and I think over time it will really improve.
Yeah.
Oh, here comes the potatoes. Okay, so I spoke too soon. Thank you. So the left hand doesn't know what the right hand is saying. So she says no potatoes, and then they come with the potatoes. So yeah, this is our dinner. And it's
Dinner?
beautiful.
That's-
Lunch.
Brunch.
And
we
it's
don't have
beautiful. What
breakfast.
time it is now? It is 12:54, so almost 1. And we're about to enjoy this beautiful view with this
Still
beautiful
waiting
food.
for my lemon.
Lemon? Why do you need lemon? Oh, okay. Well,
Needs a lemon.
I just need to start hogging down, so.
You see, Mom? We have no lemon.